Welcome back. As promised, Tyler Brown from the Bryant Law Center is here to answer questions about criminal defense. You ready to get started, Tyler?
Yes, Robin.
All right. Our first person has a question of, I've learned that I have a warrant out for my arrest. What do I need to do, and do I need to call an attorney first?
Robin, that's a very good question. I think there's always going to be benefits to contact an attorney first if you have a warrant out for your arrest. There's different circumstances that a warrant can arise. One example is if you've missed a court date. If you speak to an attorney and say you were subject to conditions out of your control, say you were hospitalized, you were severely injured, you would want to contact an attorney. They may be able to provide that information to the prosecutor in the court to advocate on your behalf to see if a warrant could be withdrawn based on those circumstances. Now, the other alternative is you have a valid arrest warrant out for your arrest. And what we try to do with clients in that situation is basically to accompany them to the agency that's issued the warrant, whether that be the Sheriff's Department, the City Police, have the client turn themselves in, be there, present with them to guide them through the process. Also to be present if law enforcement has any questions. You definitely want to have your attorney there. But also what we do is coordinate with family members, friends, as far as what are the next steps in the process. And those can be how to navigate them through the process of posting your bond, what your bond is, where do they need to go, what are the next steps, when is their next court appearance going to be, where they're going to be housed, if they're incarcerated. So those things can be a very valuable asset to somebody who's having to deal with an arrest warrant to make it what is a unpleasant process to be as pleasant and smooth as possible, and to help coordinate all those those family members and friends and things in order to to make it as smooth as possible. So definitely you would want to contact an attorney. Attorneys are going to tell you you're legally bound to turn yourself in on the warrant, but an attorney can help you through that process and make it a lot more smooth than it normally would be.
Especially if you've never been in that situation before, and you just expressed a lot of things that people would be worried about what to do. Okay, that kind of leads us into this next one. I've got a family member who's in jail on a criminal charge, and I'm wanting to try to post his bond, but it's really expensive. Can an attorney help me lower this bond so that it's more doable?
It's another good question, Robin. An attorney can definitely help you with the bond situation. What your attorney would do is likely request a bond hearing in front of the court, and they can help organize the information that the court needs to know to be able to consider lowering your bond. And those are things like your employment, where you live, your ability to get back and forth to court, argue on your behalf as far as your criminal record, if you have any. And they can also coordinate with your family and with the client as far as like what's going to be economically feasible. There's different alternatives to bond other than cash. So an attorney can go over with a client and family members what those alternatives are and what's going to be viable, and be able to make that argument clearly to the court.
Okay, great information. We're going to come right back for some more of that. So stay tuned to Local 6 Midday.